Numerous individuals aspire to launch their own enterprises, yet they soon encounter obstacles due to a lack of funds, stock, or expertise. They envision requiring vast storage facilities and mountains of goods. And it seems unfeasible. Worrying about financial loss causes them to pause before they even begin. As a result, their aspiration stays simply an aspiration. These fears are legitimate. I once experienced them as well. At that time, I was managing bills, feeling anxious about debt, and still hoping for freedom while being unsure of how to begin. It seemed like being trapped in a labyrinth with no escape. It's important to recognize that if you feel this way, you are not by yourself. Throughout the United States, countless individuals find themselves caught in the same pattern. They put in extended hours at 9-to-5 positions merely to pay their bills, leaving scarce time or funds to pursue their aspiration. A lot of people seek side hustles, but the majority of the choices require significant initial investments. It builds a solid barrier that prevents individuals from attempting at all. But here's the thrilling aspect. What if I shared that it's possible to create a business without holding inventory, leasing a storage space, or investing thousands initially? Envision operating a store where you never handled the stock, yet patrons always receive their requirements. It's akin to acting as a connection between individuals and answers. And that's the point where my story starts. I created a 6-figure business without handling any inventory. Seems unfeasible, doesn't it? However, it is indeed the case. And today I will demonstrate precisely how I accomplished it. Prepare yourself, as this might transform your perspective on business permanently. Hi, I'm Lena, and welcome to BizMastery channel. Master your business, master your future. This is where we make complicated business ideas simple and practical. My journey is proof that you don't need to be rich to start. You just need the right guidance. Let's grow together. If you're serious about building financial freedom, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I share practical tips and lessons you can use right away. It's like having a business coach in your pocket. Before we dive in, remember this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. My goal is to share knowledge so you can make informed decisions. Always do your own research before starting anything. This is your journey, and you're in control. Here's what to expect in this video. I'll walk you step by step through the exact process I used to build my dropshipping business. You'll see how simple examples and real-world tips can make the whole system clear. Think of it as a roadmap that guides you from confusion to clarity. By the end, you'll know exactly how this works. In this video, how I built a 6-figure dropshipping business with $0 inventory. I'll share everything you need to know. Stay with me until the end, grab a notebook, and let's dive in together. The journey starts now. Welcome to this section. Understanding dropshipping. At its core, dropshipping is a business model where you don't hold products yourself. Instead, you act as the connector between the supplier and the customer. Think of it as building bridges between people and the things they need. Imagine you're at a farmer's market. You're not the one growing the fruits or vegetables, but you help connect the farmer with the customer who wants to buy. That's exactly how dropshipping works. You don't make the product. You just make sure it gets to the right hands. It's simple, but powerful. Dropshipping works so well in the USA because it matches what people want today. Customers love fast, easy online shopping that saves them time and effort. On the other side, businesses love it because they don't need to pay for warehouses or deal with storing products. It's a win-win for both sides. The most exciting aspect, there's no requirement for you to possess or keep any inventory. Your primary emphasis is solely on linking products to the appropriate individuals. This renders the business low risk and extremely adaptable, and that's how dropshipping has created opportunities for countless entrepreneurs. Welcome to this section. Identifying a successful product. Choosing the appropriate product is central to your business. An excellent product can differentiate your store and draw in customers immediately. The incorrect choice can make your store feel abandoned and overlooked. Think of it like fishing. You don't just throw your net in random waters. You go where the fish are. In business, that means finding where the demand is high and customers are already searching. The better the fishing spot, the bigger your chances of success. Here's an easy suggestion. Concentrate on items that address genuine issues. Individuals purchase solutions rather than decorations more often. A product that enhances convenience will consistently outperform one that merely appears attractive. Solving problems is what gives a product its value. Consider a few examples. Basic objects such as cooking tools, exercise equipment, or household organizers. They might not be impressive, but they improve life for ordinary individuals. In American households, handy tools like these frequently turn into bestsellers as they conserve time and effort. At times, the most basic concepts yield the greatest outcomes. Welcome to this section, the supplier connection. Selecting a supplier is akin to deciding who will be responsible for your reputation. A supplier can either enhance your business's reputation or lead to persistent troubles. This decision is among the most significant you will ever make. Think of suppliers like business partners. You want someone reliable, like a friend who always shows up on time and never lets you down. A great supplier feels like an extension of your team. With them, you can build trust and consistency. Communication is everything. Always ask questions, check how fast they respond, and make sure they care about quality. A supplier who communicates well will give you peace of mind. It's like having a friend who always picks up the phone when you call. The biggest benefit of a good supplier is simple. They make you look good. When orders arrive on time and products are high quality, customers trust your brand more, your reputation grows stronger, and so does your business. Behind every successful store, there's usually a great supplier. Welcome to this section, your digital retail space. View your store as the platform where your business flourishes. It's the initial thing individuals notice, and it establishes the mood for their perception of your brand. An appealing storefront encourages people to enter and linger for a time. Imagine your online store like a coffee shop on Main Street. It should feel warm, inviting, and trustworthy, the kind of place people naturally want to visit. When customers feel comfortable, they're more likely to stay and buy. That sense of trust is the foundation of sales. Here's a suggestion. Maintain a straightforward and user-friendly store layout. Avoid cramming it with excessive buttons or attention-grabbing designs. Concise product descriptions enable customers to understand precisely what they are purchasing. Clarity consistently fosters assurance. Keep in mind that your shop creates the initial impression for your customers, much like a handshake in person. That instant is significant. If it appears refined, reliable, and straightforward, individuals will wish to come back. Initial online impressions are equally impactful as those made in person. Welcome to this section, attracting customers to your store. Creating an attractive store is just part of the task. It's essential to get people to come and see it. Without clients, even the finest shop remains vacant. Marketing serves as the link that unites your products with those who require them. Marketing effortlessly is akin to hosting a party and neglecting to distribute the invitations. You could have food, music, and decorations, but no one arrives. That's precisely what occurs if you create a store and fail to advertise it. Customers cannot purchase from you if they are unaware of your existence. The good news is marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Simple methods like sharing stories on social media, posting relatable content, or even word of mouth can make a big difference. Customers connect with stories that feel real and personal. It's about making them feel part of your journey. In the United States, individuals enjoy narratives. They seek more than merely purchasing a product. They desire to understand the issue it addresses and the narrative surrounding it. Focusing on solutions makes your brand more relatable and unforgettable. Narratives transform casual visitors into dedicated customers. Welcome to this section. Ensuring customer satisfaction. Central to every thriving business is the manner in which you care for your customers. It's not solely focused on selling. It's about fostering a positive experience. When individuals sense appreciation, they return repeatedly. Consider customer service as akin to being an excellent host. Just like you ensure your guests are comfortable and looked after at a gathering, you want your customers to experience the same. A little bit of kindness makes a significant impact. It's about making them feel valued. Effective communication is essential. Consistently inform customers regarding their orders and promptly respond to their inquiries. Quick and truthful replies foster trust. When individuals realize you're attentive, they gain greater confidence in making purchases from you. The greatest aspect is that satisfied customers not only make one purchase, but also return and share their experiences with others. A pleased customer serves as complimentary promotion. Your store will be suggested to friends and family by them. That's how small companies evolve into powerful brands. Welcome to this section. From side hustle to six figures. Initially, my dropshipping venture was merely a side project, something I engaged in during the evenings. Yet with the proper attention and work, it began to develop into something significantly larger. What began as a small venture ultimately grew into a true business that transformed my life. Cultivating a dropshipping business resembles nurturing a garden. Initially, you sow small seeds, and they appear insignificant, yet, with regular attention, watering, sunlight, and patience, those seeds transform into something lovely. Your enterprise functions similarly. Care for it and observe its growth. The subsequent step involves reinvesting your earnings. Avoid spending everything, allocate a portion to experiment with new products and connect with diverse audiences. This is the method to grow and discover what suits you best. Each experiment offers you important insights. Keep in mind, significant outcomes take time to achieve. Similar to how a tree requires time to grow, your business needs dedication and persistence. Each move forward accumulates, and eventually you'll reflect and recognize the distance you've traveled. Minor starts can result in incredible victories. Let's have a brief summary. Starting out doesn't require inventory. Concentrate on selecting the ideal product, establishing a dependable store, partnering with trustworthy suppliers, promoting effectively, and expanding gradually. That's the path I took to create a six-figure business. In conclusion, if I was able to begin with just a laptop and determination, you can too. You don't have to be a specialist. You only need to be persistent. Minor everyday efforts accumulate to significant outcomes in the long run. Trust your approach, as it is effective. If this video was beneficial to you, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who should see this. It requires just a moment, but creates a significant impact for this channel. It assists us in continuing to provide you with valuable content. Therefore, make sure to provide your support. Leave your inquiries or discuss your personal experiences in the comments section below. I'm eager to listen to your experiences, your successes, or even your challenges. Here is a place for us to gain knowledge from one another. Let's continue the discussion. This is the BizMastery channel. Master your business, master your future. Keep in mind that every significant achievement begins with a single small action. Grab yours today. And I'll see you in the upcoming video. Until that time, continue to progress with bravery and innovation.